Namaskar everyone and good morning from my side. This is Bunty Tiwari from Guwahati, Assam. I'm associated with Britco Bridco since 20 years. 2003 I've tied up with Britco Bridco with a technician, and now presently at my center there are total 7 bond technicians I'm having, and all are from Britco Bridco. No local technicians. In our service center, we have technicians only from Britco Bridco. So it's a good journey with Britco Bridco. It's a very good institute. Now we have also started institute in Guwahati, and we are getting a very good response because the process, the discipline that Britco Bridco maintains is really good. So I wish all of you to learn nicely. There is a huge scope in Britco Bridco. There is a good future in Britco Bridco. And lastly, I just want to say thank you, Britco Bridco, for giving me opportunity to be in the Britco family for such a long years. Thank you so much. Thank you.